Happy kainit. Hanggang buhay. Ay, doon.
It's so very hot. It's so hot in the Philippines. Just like me. I'm so hot. Oh my god. My skin, look. It's color dark. Darker than your skin. Darker than your...
Oh, sobrang init.
Ay. Huwag kang magpagod. Kasi lagom na kayo ka.
Balik ka daw.
Huwag kang magpagod. Kasi lagom na kayo ka. Hindi ka na pwede mabali. Tabang. Ana, very good. I feel so fresh the air on the mountain. Because the mountain is going to my ear. You know. As you can see, I'm just walking the street, and I will go to the store and buy some soft drinks because I'm so thirsty.
So thirsty and so very hot. Hot. Sorry. Okay. you know.
As you can see because you're blind. So I'm just walking in the street and I'm going to find a store. We cannot drink soft drinks like Coca-Cola, Royals, lemon, and anything. So look at this house, this old house. That's a lot of memories of my friend because she have a girlfriend in here.
That's why. Yeah, totoo yun guys. Yung bahay na yan, yung sa likod namin. Yung bahay na sa likod namin. Sobrang dami ko talaga memories yun sa bahay na yan.
And she's going to
Kasi nung diyan ko talaga sila dinala. Kaya
tapos
marami.
and then she's gonna
Jojoga. Kita bungot nih. Lagi. Oh yeah.